Meet Hero, the smallest, lightest, simplest to use, and lowest cost camera in the GoPro lineup. Hero is 4K'ing tiny. Hero is the lightest GoPro with a screen ever, weighing in at just 86 grams. For reference, that's approximately 44% lighter and 35% less volume when compared to Hero 13 Black. When it comes to the user experience, Hero is 4K'ing simple. It is ready to go straight out the box. With Hero's built-in touch display, it allows you to toggle between its three capture modes: video, slow-mo, and photo. There are just two video capture options: 4K 30 for the best quality and 1080p 30 for the best battery life. If you want to capture some high-speed action and have the ability to slow it down, take advantage of the 2x slow-mo in 2.7K or freeze the action with a 12-megapixel photo. And with its built-in Enduro battery, it has enough charge to last you all day. For those looking to turn up the activity level, the lens on Hero has a POV-ready 165 degrees field of view. And it's robust. Even if you manage to scratch or crack the mega-strong Gorilla Glass, you can replace it, getting you back up and running with a simple twist. And like all GoPro cameras, Hero will have hyper-smooth video stabilization seamlessly applied to your clips via the Quick app. With its built-in mounting fingers, Hero is compatible with the existing ecosystem of GoPro accessories. And if you're jumping into the water, don't forget your life jacket for your Hero. Or protect your Hero on the go with the new protective sleeve. While it may cost a fraction of our flagship camera, the GoPro DNA runs deep. From being waterproof straight out of the box to automatic highlight videos sent to your phone. To put it simply, Hero is 4K tiny, 4K'ing simple, and 4K'ing affordable. Did I mention it shoots in 4K? We cannot wait for you to experience Hero.